Kristo, Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Asanteni sana. Najua saa imeyoyoma. Mwaketi sana, sitaki kuwachosha tena. Lakini nataka kutoa shukrani sana kwenu kuitikia mwaliko wetu na kufika hapa ili tuwe na futari pamoja. Nataka tena kutoa shukrani kwa mmoja wenu hapa, Mama Hamida Kibwana. Huyo Hamida huyo tumetoka naye mbali sana. Na ni mtu ambaye ako na roho ya kufanya kazi. Alikuja akaniambia, baba, tunarudi Mombasa tena kwa iftar. Nikasema pana. Tumeenda Mombasa miaka mingi sasa, mara hii tunafanya iftar Nairobi. Tueleke watu wa Mombasa wafike hapa. Basi mimi nikaonyesha njia na kafuata hiyo njia na kufanya mpango yote hii ambayo mnaona hapa siku ya leo. Sasa mengi ambayo ningesema imeshasemwa hapa. Nilikuwa na speech nilikuwa nimeandika, take it as read. Sasa yale mimi nataka kuongeza ni tunajua wakati huu ambaye tuko katika holy month ya Ramadhan, kuna Waislamu wengine ambao wako kuna shida. Ndugu Kalonzo tayari ametaja watu jirani wenu hapa wa Sudan. Vita inaendelea huko mbaya sana. Wakati huu bado watu wanapigana, watu wengi wamekufa. Tunaomba Mungu arudishe amani katika nchi ya Sudan. Sasa najua dini ziko aina mbili. There are two types of religion. They are classified philosophically and theologically into two types of religion. There are those that are called redemptive religions. There are those that are called morality religions. What's the difference? Redemptive religions are those that believe in life after death. That you live here, you're born here, you live here, and when you die, it's a place you go. One they call hell, one is heaven. Those redemptive religions are one, Christianity and Islam. Then those that you call morality religions. Morality religions don't believe in hell or heaven. They say there is God. Sometimes the gods, God is here to provide for you, but that reward or punishment is done here on earth. If you do good, you reincarnate. There's what they call a reincarnation. That you can die and you reincarnate. And depending on how you lived here on earth, you can either be rewarded in the next life or punished. In other words, you can be born again as a human being somewhere else, or you can reincarnate as a monkey, as a hyena, or as a snake. That's what they believe in, and they believe in different gods. There you have Hinduism and Buddhism and this other. So that's the distinction between the two types of religions. Now, Islam is very much closer to Christianity. In fact, if you read the Holy Quran and also the Bible, they are written from one book originally. That's, for example, you're talking about creation, they all believe that the first human being on earth was Adam and then Eve. That's why they call you Bin Adam. Bin Adam. You're Mwan Adam. You're the son of and daughter of Adam. That is the meaning of the word Bin Adam. Bin Adam. So it is written from the same book. Even if you talk about Genesis, similar. Even the gospel, similar. You find, they believe, in the Quran you'll find Abraham, Ibrahim. Moses is Musa. Solomon, Suleiman. Jesus, Isa bin Maryam. So all those stories that you find in the Bible, you also find them in Quran. Even the story of John the Baptist is in Quran. There. So the Quran believes is all written for the same book. Of course, I know the Bible, being a Christian and an Anglican, from Genesis to Revelation. But I also know Quran from Alif Lamim to Al-Baqarah. So you see, I tell you where we've come with Muslims. And in Quran, there are 5 pillars. Fabetano ya Islam. Those are the 5 pillars of Islam. Fabetano. The first one is kumcha Mungu. Respect God. 2, ya swala. 3, kutoa zaka. 4, funga Ramadan. 5 is ya hija. Okay. And the one of prayer. If I pray 5 times in a day, you begin early before dawn, that is Al-Fajr. And then there is Adhuhur. There's Al-Asir. Then there's Magharib, Isha. I can go on and on and on. So Islam teaches people love. It teaches you to love your neighbor, love one another. Islam also teaches you to respect other people. Respect other fellow human beings. Don't steal. And also don't give false witnesses. It's just like the 10 commandments in the Bible. So here we are together. That's why we have stayed together with Muslims. As a small boy, I used to play with Muslim children. I used to go to the mosque when I was a small boy. We had Ramadan, Asman, Mamadi, all those that used to play together. So I've gone in Islam. I know it. And I know that Islam wants good for everybody. And that's why it was very easy for us to team up with the Muslims during the struggle for multipartyism. There we had IPK. IPK was there. They refused to register it. But we were all the time together. And we said we'll move together and we march together. When they refused to register IPK, we said we'll run candidates under Ford Kenya. Omar Mwinyi there was our candidate for Changamwe. Fakihia was our candidate. Professor Rashid Muzei was our candidate in Mombasa. So our relationship go deep. I saw that the other day they were questioning. They're saying that Muslims voted for me too much, and next time they should vote the other side. By the time we were fighting with Muslims, those people were in YK 92. They were in YK 92. The time we were fighting for multipartyism here in this country. So we worked together. We've struggled together. Sometimes it's been difficult times, but we stood together. I was the first person to bring Buibui to Bunge, Mama Maria Matano. Maria Matano was nominated by NDP, the first Buibui woman in parliament, because of this relationship that we've had together. So we need to stick together and move together. And I'm sure if you stick together and move together, nothing will be difficult for us to achieve as a people. And that's why I don't want to go too long. Many people have already spoken. Chief has spoken about it, Martha has spoken about it, that there's this animal